Hey guys, this is my K100 RS from 1991, and I'm recording this because I want you to see, to hear what is this sound. It comes right from the junction between the gearbox and the engine. It sounds like it's clutch problem. I am not really sure about it. I'm going to start the bike in order you to hear it. So I'm going to show you. The other side of the gearbox, where the junction between the engine and the gearbox is. It sounds really hard. Okay, that sound. Here I have a little moist. I don't know where it comes from. Maybe you can tell me where is the problem here. And basically that's my issues right now. So any help will be great. Thanks.